Imagine taking $5,000 at age 25, adding just $500 every month, and watching it grow to nearly $2 million by age 55. I didn't believe it either until I spent weeks analyzing verified data from the past 15 years. Today, I'm sharing what happened when I tested aggressive ETF portfolios designed for young investors, and the numbers genuinely shock me. Most financial advice tells young people to play it safe with balanced portfolios. 60% stocks, 40% bonds. Conservative, predictable, comfortable. But here's what nobody talks about. That conservative approach could be costing you hundreds of thousands, potentially millions in lifetime wealth. I analyzed real performance data from September 2010 through December 2025, tracking the exact returns of the most popular ETFs young investors actually use. What I discovered changed how I think about investing entirely. Quick favor, hit like and subscribe right now so YouTube shows this to more people who need to see it. Let me start with the most aggressive portfolio I tested. It combined 60% VOO, which tracks the S&P 500, with 25% VUG for growth exposure, 10% ARKK for innovation plays, and 5% VXUS for international diversification. Over the past 15 years, this type of allocation would have delivered returns that seem almost too good to be true. The Vanguard S&P 500 ETF returned 14.73% annualized. The Vanguard Growth ETF delivered 15.18% over 10 years. But here's where it gets wild. The Invesco QQQ Trust, which tracks tech-heavy NASDAQ companies, returned 19.44% annualized over 15 years. That's not a typo. Nearly 20% annual returns sustained over a decade and a half. Now, before you think this is all sunshine and rainbows, let me tell you about ARK. The ARK Innovation ETF is where I learned the most brutal lesson about aggressive investing. In 2024, while VOO was up almost 25% and QQQ gained 25.58%, ARK only managed 8.4%. It dramatically underperformed. Many investors panicked and sold, convinced they'd made a terrible mistake. But here's the twist that surprised me most. In 2025, year-to-date through mid-December, ARK exploded upward 41.17%. Anyone who sold in fear during 2024 missed one of the most spectacular recoveries in recent ETF history. The rolling 12-month return hit 37.43%. This taught me something crucial. Aggressive portfolios aren't about avoiding volatility. They're about surviving it. Let me show you the compound growth math that changes everything. Say you're 25 years old. You start with $5,000 and commit to investing $500 every single month for 30 years until you're 55. At 8% average annual returns, which is actually conservative for an aggressive portfolio, your initial $5,000 grows to $50,313. Your monthly contributions accumulate to $745,180. Your total portfolio value reaches $795,493. That's respectable. But watch what happens when we bump returns to 10%, which is the historical average for aggressive portfolios. Your initial investment grows to $87,247. Your monthly contributions compound to $1,130,244. Your final portfolio hits $1,217,491. That's over $400,000 more, just from 2 percentage points higher returns.
But it gets even better. At 12% average annual returns, which is absolutely achievable with growth-focused ETFs like QQQ and VUG, based on their historical performance, your numbers explode. Your initial $5,000 balloons to $149,800. Your monthly $500 contributions compound to $1,747,482. Your total portfolio value reaches $1,897,282. The difference between 10% and 12% returns is $679,791. You essentially build an extra complete portfolio just from slightly higher returns over 3 decades. This is why financial advisors consistently push young investors toward aggressive allocations. The time horizon advantage is incomparable. Now, here's something that blew my mind that almost nobody talks about: fees. The difference between a 0.03% expense ratio and a 0.75% expense ratio compounds catastrophically over decades. I ran the numbers on a $10,000 initial investment at 10% gross annual returns over 30 years. With VOO's 0.03% fee, your portfolio grows to $173,072. With QQQ's 0.2% fee, you hit $165,223. That's a $7,849 difference. But with ARKK's 0.75% fee, you only reach $142,116. The difference is $30,956 just from fees. Scale this up to a $100,000 investment, and poor fee selection costs you $309,560 in lifetime wealth. Every 0.5% in annual fees translates to hundreds of thousands in lost retirement money. Let me address the elephant in the room: the crashes. Aggressive portfolios experience brutal drawdowns. The median maximum drawdown historically is 85.4%, taking about 2.5 years to hit bottom and another 2.5 years to fully recover. During the 2008 financial crisis, 100% stock portfolios fell over 50%. Recovery took 4 to 5 years. The 2020 COVID crash saw the S&P 500 drop 34% in just 1 month, though it recovered in under a year. The 2022 tech crash hammered growth-heavy portfolios down 33%, requiring 2 to 3 years for full recovery. And ARKK's nightmarish 2022 collapse saw it plummet 66.97%. Imagine watching your portfolio get cut in half, then cut in half again. That's the psychological reality of aggressive investing. Here's what a real investor experienced from 2022 through 2025. In 2022, their portfolio dropped 25 to 35%. In 2023, it surged back up 46% as markets recovered. In 2024, they gained another 20% plus. In 2025 year-to-date, they're up another 10% plus. The question isn't whether you'll experience 30% declines. The question is whether you can watch your account balance crater and do absolutely nothing. Better yet, can you keep buying when everyone around you is panicking? If the honest answer is no, then your portfolio allocation is too aggressive right now, and you need to adjust before the next crash tests your resolve. So what's the winning formula? Based on 15 years of verified data, here's what actually works. 60% VOO for your core broad market exposure, at 14.73% historical returns, and just 0.03% fees. Add 30% VUG for growth focus, delivering 15.18% returns with 0.04% fees. Include 10% ARK if you can stomach extreme volatility, for 14.15% long-term returns despite 0.75% fees. This 3-tier structure provides maximum growth potential while avoiding catastrophic concentration risk in any single sector. The 5 non-negotiables for success are simple but not easy. First, extreme long-term commitment. Minimum 20 years, preferably 30 plus. You will experience at least one severe bear market. Those who sold in crashes locked in devastating permanent losses. Second, ultra-low expense ratios. Target 0.03 to 0.1%. Every 0.5% in fees cost you $300,000 plus over 30 years. Third, stay diversified but concentrated. Avoid 100% tech exposure, but embrace 60% plus equities. Fourth, dollar cost average religiously. Monthly contributions matter infinitely more than perfect market timing. Your $500 monthly automatically buys more shares during crashes, creating powerful compounding advantages.
Fifth, prepare yourself psychologically. Expect 25 to 35% declines every 5 to 7 years. The biggest returns come from doing absolutely nothing during those crashes. Here's my final surprising conclusion. Aggressive ETF portfolios absolutely work for young investors. The data from September 2010 through December 2025 proves it beyond doubt. A 25-year-old starting with $5,000 and contributing $500 monthly can realistically accumulate $1.2 to $1.9 million by age 55. But the real surprise isn't that the strategy works. The surprise is how few young people actually execute it. Most will get scared during the first major crash and sell. Most will chase hot stocks instead of boring index funds. Most will pay excessive fees without realizing the damage. The tiny percentage who stay disciplined, who keep buying through crashes, who ignore the noise and stick to the plan, will build generational wealth while everyone else struggles. The data is verified. The math is proven. The strategy is simple. The only variable left is whether you'll actually follow through. Start today, even if it's just $100 monthly. Your 55-year-old self will thank you. If this data changed how you think about investing, hit that like button. Drop a comment telling me your current portfolio allocation and whether you're ready to go aggressive. And subscribe, because I'm breaking down more investment strategies with real numbers, not hype. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Investment performance shown is based on historical data and projections. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results. Always conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching.